Hey folks, my name is Cristian Liu. I work at the Department of Health and Human Services. I like playing with laser pointers, so you'll see me pressing a lot. I work with the Chief Technology Officer, Todd Park, at the Department of Health and Human Services. My Twitter handle is @Cristian I tweet fairly often about random stuff not related to health also, so if you don't want to be inundated with random stuff, I do not suggest you follow me. However, HealthData.gov is coming online soon, and it will be the Twitter handle that HealthData.gov will be following after, so that is something to keep in mind. So I'm just going to run through the website really quickly and tell you a little bit about what we're trying to do with this resource that we're posting up online. So data.gov, which you just heard about from the presentation right before me, and all the super cool things that are being done with it, we're moving forward from that phase of having, hey, we've got this great data catalog there where you can download a lot of stuff, to creating different communities around different data sets. So, for example, we're starting to move out and create communities surrounding law, around human rights, around open data and semantic data. And the newest one coming up online soon is going to be around health data. We're hoping to create a great community around utilizing health data so that people who are engaged in this topic can come to the website, access the different data sets that are on there, but more importantly, talk to one another and learn from each other through the blogging and the forums feature so that you're not working alone in the dark. I know that events like this are really great, but when we're here, we can't really talk with people that are in San Francisco or people that are in Boston. But on the web, you have the ability to do so. And more so, better than that, you'll be able to look and learn from people who are actually putting up the data and see what intentions they have in terms of what they can see their data is being used for. So we're really looking forward to getting this up and running, a place where you can look at the different areas of health data that are available, look at the challenges that are going to be available, and the data sets. So I'm just going to run through a couple of the sub-pages really quickly. First off is our data and tools catalog. It's going to be based off the data.gov catalog, and we're going to be continuously putting up new information on there. And what's really exciting about the data catalog is that we're looking at upgrading it on an iterative basis going forward. A lot of sites that you see out there get put up and nothing ever happens. Nobody ever comes back to check on it. There's nobody updating the information. I promise you that's not going to happen with HealthData.gov. We're going to be actively looking at user feedback and working to make sure that the data sets that are presented are catered towards everyone who's using them, their needs. So posting up the data sets here, enabling them to be searchable, categorizing them in more granularity than the data.gov website will enable you folks, all the web entrepreneurs, all the health entrepreneurs out there, to use it more effectively, at least we hope. And if you're not using it that way, tell us through the forums feature so that we know how to shift it so that you guys can work with it better, so that we can respond to your requests better. Let's see. We're also putting up other data sites. We recognize that the federal government is not the only site that you can go to for health information. There are a ton of other links out there, and we're going to start collecting them all so that everyone can access them in one location. We want this to be a one-stop portal so that web entrepreneurs, people interested in health, researchers, and web developers can come and find all the information in one spot. There's no use going out and having a web resource that you have to go, on the second hand, go to Google to look for another web resource that you're looking for. We want everything in one place so that everyone can access it very easily. One last thing I wanted to cover real quick is that we're also going to be putting on an apps expo that's linked from this page, and we're partnering with an organization that you are all pretty much familiar with, Health 2.0, and they're back there, and they're setting up an apps expo to feature applications that are developed out of federal health data. If you've got some sort of application that you're getting ready to launch, that is launched, and you want to get out there so that people can learn about it, can see about it, I would suggest talking to the Health 2.0 folks, because they're putting up a great apps expo to feature. We're going to be featuring challenges on the site that are posted through challenge.gov and Health 2.0 challenges, so look for those in the future. And one of the most exciting things about this is that nobody has seen this yet outside of you guys in this room and the YouTube video that I guess is going up. It is launching on February 15th, one day after Valentine's Day. and it's going to be a soft launch. We're hoping that folks will be able to come on, sign up for an account, and give us a lot of feedback so that we can become more responsive to everyone's needs. And we're really excited about doing this and making sure that this community flourishes. So that's all that I have. Thank you all very much.